The 2015 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel ABS, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.